Nice to meet you.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Minister for Economy.
Secretary who?
We know each other very well from Washington.
Ah, okay. And if you will allow me, this is our National Security Advisor, Nadia
Pleasure, sir. Very nice.
This is Ambassador Raptakis, who heads the team. Mr. Prime Minister. Thank you.
Pleasure to have you here.
I think it's my pleasure to be here.
We are happy.
Pleasure. We need to work. We motivate businessmen. They need to assist them.
I brought my younger secretary for investment. This is also the head of my diplomatic office. We brought it in.
How are you? I'm good. We are focusing on Albania this morning. Maybe it's important to leave it a few minutes for them.